nditamo mukoda ndimubuze zote zinenda kofazone dubale moye uva muumba botoma baawera onaka
I was a true playboy before. I remember the chichola never stand up before. Iko amba made chick, song about a side chick, dabala the side chick, bago shika 16. Yeah, look at me now. Iko jala na masiza na muti now. Yeah, and I udongo lisa, but swing a chat and it's mana bako ima.
Demasiado ticheres mata Lavender FM kumataganetsa comeback nyumshumu ya shoto landa msia public speaking apaka Lavender FM, you know, your only true African youth station purposely made for youth empowerment. Of course, it is 100% youth in that landa msia 14 let's say 14 it's a July. You know, we are nearing Nelson Mandela Day. Of course, this is known as Mandela Month, you know, but of course this is another heated you know topic today in this today. But of course, you know, I'm never alone. I'm never alone. I'm running this show with the one and only public speaking enthusiast, the poet Maurice Ndatonanda, aka Lisa Twitter ni pedzingwa namkara.
Ndihone mwanamkara ndihone and ndikutozifanira nuri voice yekahamba man, you know, I feel the energy and it's such a great thing that even during this tough times, you know, during this pandemic, you know, they still have life inside of them and they're still appreciating that life. So ndirhai nanandokutakarera
Casual, but teachers Mashuba Lavender FM, you know, and then right now we are joined by our guest, you know, goes by the name Kumbero Chikobi, who will be telling us more on this exciting topic. You know, Kumbero, Finyan and the
My name is Kumbero Chikobi. I was born in Kokosi. At this time, I'm doing my grade 6 year in primary Rockland, and I thank the people. I thank you for having me in the show.
Rikom tanganedza uri warina man Kumbero ukotore warina or enokono shika hapa samuchudeni wa grade 6 wa Rockland primary school eno dipfahani man uvachiko dipfahani achikoroni ndazvidozvori ma grade 6 omena chikoroni ngadzi yove last week, right, beginning of last week nga Monday mariviona nga Tuesday if I'm not mistaken, right? So ena kadombudza zvori hangi chikoroni eno vachiko dipfahani amongst this COVID-19 pandemic.
Then they feel better because as we find no so dura hayan and that at least re kofunzo riteni re songo itane, and every time re jena class in re sanitize so we feel safe
yeah. So you know, in terms of academics though, like, is it the same as it was before the COVID-19 pandemic, or are there like changes that have taken place? And for example, let's say class in Jajino and it's 23 kana ni 40 kadzimwe class baba chikozvitisa hani nge Rockland primary
vobe ya tafura nga ngomu classini ubona dzi line dzine dzikosumbedza social distancing. Muthi uto akadzule kha hi red line and then muthi uto akadzule kha iwe ore munga chikofa re songo inhaler the air that they are coughing out, and that ore they sanitize every time we go into the class and get out.
Yeah. Okay, zviko zvino kadorivudza zvobdi do they provide personal protective, you know, equipment to you guys, the likes of the mask, the sanitizer and so on, or like in the zvithu zvine you as students must go with to school, you know, do you take it from home, or like hanenge chikoroni vava kuprovide nazvo zvithu?
At the beginning we was already providing the mask mbili and then the sanitizer off so yeah, that's it.
Okay, zviko man. Ene kadovudza samuchudeni wa grade 6 zvazvino tiri hangi chikoroni hubona machudeni apiyo mamwe ndikwamera ma grade R haneyo na ma grade 7 uri zvote zvobdi huna nduri attendance yavana iva ihone kana hai azvikubuya zvoita
iva ihone attendance yavana, but then vamwe vava sakuda vamwe vobva kachikoro vachikuya khadza mahayani because vabebi vavo vakushava vangaiwana this COVID-19.
Okay, all right. So in terms of grade R, I'm aware that it's primary zinji hapa, they have grade R's, and as we all know that zvikoro zvovhura for grade R. Kadorobuza zvori hange Rockland Primary uri grade R akuita zvoda chikoroni kana hai avakuya vaije.
Every single day we could like a red team we were into groups but then even though we were at the group ndi vatuku vana va hono nga wana na musi hoda va 3 but we expect to the 20.
Okay, all right. So I know some of you use transportation to go to school, if I'm not mistaken, right? From traveling from your home to the school, you see. So kadorubudza papeto zvobdi ka transport ohenei. What are the measures that are taken, inside the transport to ensure that you do not spread the COVID-19 pandemic?
The measures dzinoitwa nduri richitokoto jena ka transport rikuitwa zo sanitiziwa zwana and that una social distancing arere muthu yo dzula kha chituduro una zviviri in between and then wadzora munhu which shows that hava it's the driver the core driver that's ndawo.
Okay, so my initial question right now is that who are these people, who sanitize your hands inside transportations and so on? And what happens, right, when you find that there's quite a lot of learners going to school, in terms of inside the transport? How will that be maintained? You see, the social distancing and so on.
But then at least the transport general una dzimwe dzine vha dzi humbera kuti dzi register because we got that and that vhathu vhane vha khou sanitize and dzi driver dza tsadza dza sanitize ga kono jena mu transport.
Okay, zvikobvara kana zvotorara zvambo zvithu zvikochimira ndori zvothe zvikagiya number 5 atiri goro ikagiya number 5 vechikochimira nochikogidima zvimwe mari kumbero gori kuwanga manna vanhu oda apa ribudza ndori ena some children wale grade 6 ya zvikopfara zvoriya enotaka omera chikoroni ne azvikotakadza ova chikoroni so ena kuprefer no ndive ndichikoroni rather than ndive ndihapa ndisikodzura hayani ndichikoditera mushumo wachikoro nepahayani and so on. So tell me, in terms of you, right, aren't you perhaps afraid, of contracting the virus or something, as you know that you don't know where or the backgrounds of people that you meet, along the way to school and inside school, so isn't that fear, don't you have that fear maybe that contract?
But then the Lord that I pray that's do was on protector from this virus and people you need to just pray and have that faith and with the protector. If you have the armor and the sword, nothing will come across you.
Yes, because you come and no, you can even your rabamutu spiritually. They are wearing the armor of God. Ini kwambi waka Ephesians kabugu ya Ephesians managoriwa makumber nduri over here we heard that here at least you are one student that you appreciate education, right? And we know that Nelson Mandela is a person who always stood up for education, you see, and we'd like to thank you and we would like to encourage you to keep up the good work, in terms of your schoolwork, and taking care of the immediate environment. Make sure though that you stay safe and abide by all those measures that are put in place. Perhaps in your parting words, what would you like to tell our Lavender listeners who are listening right now?
Don't be afraid, because the Lord our God that we pray, He will always protect us. And the wise man once said, education is a powerful weapon that can change the world.
Vatichirisi vaLavender FM yove kumbero chikovi ndimuranga phando vakozvitozvipfa nachiyamboriya nduri muthu ane uimera education, you see, kumira korevonga manda okonojiya chikara ade hapa kaLavender FM nduri atoribudza zvori how you feel, in terms of going back to school during this time period, and of course ending over there by quoting Nelson Mandela's words, education is the most powerful weapon that one can use to change the world. But Love in the FM. I trust that all of you listened and all of you, got, some words of wisdom from this young, enthusiastic young leader, So yeah, and Lisa Net, and what do you have to say with regards to this?
Oh, what can I say? Well, that was quite an interview, and thank you so much, Kumbero. Thank you so much for your time. You are quite a bright young man. We can both tell just from having this interview, and I'm so happy and so glad about the part you mentioned where God will protect us. God is actually the one that can protect us from this whole thing. I love the fact that you are not putting your faith maybe in the masks or the sanitizers. Yes, we have to do that as people because it's human precautions and methods, but only God can truly protect us from this pandemic. So thank you so much, Kumbero. I feel like a lot of people need it to hear that, that to do what you can as a person, protect yourself however it is that you can, but put your faith in your Father, like my co-host has mentioned, the Director T, put on your full armor of God, and believe that no matter what comes, you're going to stand strong, you're going to stand firm, and nothing will happen to you. You will not contrast any virus. So just do your part as a person. Social distance, sanitize, wear your masks, and follow all the measures that have to do with you protecting yourself from the COVID-19. So thank you so much, Kumbero, for your time and your words. And man, you are such a bright young man. I think that the part that just shook me, that you're so young and you just have a lot to say. So thank you so much. I truly hope that young people, young men, young women find this interview very much helpful. I think it's also a thing that we should also consider, when we're speaking about and speaking to the youth, because there's this younger generation that's also becoming the youth, and I feel like we have to teach them certain things and have to have conversations with them as well, because we can't just be talking to the youth. We also have to be teaching the younger generation to be the perfect youth, that we talking to. Like, if I'm telling a youth person to say, okay, stop doing this and do this, we can actually go to young people and tell them to do the things that we are telling the youth people to do, so that when they become youth people, we don't have to tell them to do youth stuff the way youth stuff have to be done in order for them to be prosperous. Anyway, I am talking so much, but thank you so much, Kumbero. Thank you, and thank you. But Love in the FM, you truly enjoyed this interview. Thank you for listening. Thank you for tuning in. Same place, same time next week. It's your co-host, Director T, and Lisa Net Riri.
Let's start.
I got a condo with me.
Public speaking, being brought to you by yours truly, Lisa Net and Director T. Kalavende FM.
How can I say what I'm feeling if I don't?
I can do dancing on my own. It takes two to tango.
Chill. Essa Maria Manana One, your boy Fizzy, DJ Connection, DJ Smarties. Okay. Piti kava feti tori kapiti urindi kori mini Zia baba zia dida nando temba kabone chingwa na chingwa bofara buchiro hanga. That's why niko tena na chikoro Upa 1994 ushika shinao 2000 hata na midaro Mada jena nduni hasaro sina buraro Mitozi fasi hasara huna shiriro Chapanga magona to ntandara pera Mnyanga na koti anga ni hone do
babalamulira abachafila shapu these days zvintu zvikokonda zvaramera nowadays ndivone vofara kumudhi vayadhiva zvine vaita navudhi pushabhara nazvigubhu vakamadhi vana vudhere vayatsvara vana padhi mama don't worry daddy don't worry utiro ndivulapfu vungatawara vasovawara arichadosafara rochimbira dzikilo mdzimu ramufara voulwanga mbira dzothe mkwamana ashume namuratu ashume nanevo ndishume one big family vopupa biko peni kamapafu namutsiko mama vasungorira baba vasungorira mama vasungorira baba vasungorira mama vasungorira baba vasungorira mama vasungorira baba vasungorira uvana puruvero mbiru nezvidisadakaro all I see ndichisisa muraro ukhone mudhini zvinolorara siyarara vongorara ngapa ila koveira ufinya zvanza pachena fasi nazviliro vavizerera vafasi uvalita duru usvikali fasi ndimuraperi avana natelasi babanga ngeno vakopanda zvichifisa vutungu dadhozidoroboni vasipanana malungu zvitukutuku zvine vawana vamubhebhi vayagumburera navana vashuma zvichivava vahoranga mwedzi vabuyelo zvivala vatusiwa nga mwedzi mudhibubvaduva mudhibukovera apa turi bote mara rilingogarera it's a bad thing vatokonderera sasaidonamanana ridokonderera vasungurira zviri remisatho one day vatopfula apo vava nta kongrandi kokono ula ndafuka ndaviwa ngamasana nechandatsuka mama I love you daddy I love you respect baba neva mafu mama vasungorira baba vasungorira mama vasungorira baba vasungorira mama vasungorira baba vasungorira mama vasungorira baba vasungorira.
Ichikadhiwa Lavender FM, your only true African youth station, purposely made for youth empowerment.